The rear quarter light rubber seal is pushed back into place.
So basic, but it does the job.
Hi folks, and welcome back to the Mini After 8. In today's episode, Dad will be focusing on the reassembly of the front end of the car. So let's go. First, the newly painted bonnet lock latch assembly is reinstated.
Now, was it that way round, or was it that way round? Can you remember?
That way.
You think that way?
Could be wrong.
Not that it's going to really make much difference. Oh, that looks crocky. Hasn't even started. All the paint and the threads is not helping. Okay, we're going to have to adjust it. See the paint starting to come off the nuts now. I think probably like that. It's just not wanting to show me where the damn... Maybe I should have put that in to start with.
A few moments later...
Put the spring on first. No way can you put it...
Without it.
And then I can put it into that little catch there.
Oops.
Yeah, the paint's getting...
I can touch it up later.
And I bet you the wiring's got to go up inside here. That'll be a little job and I'll have to get that. Just not do it over tight because... Right. Yeah, a bit of paint touching up going to be later.
With the wheels off, the plastic arches are fitted.
Oh, because they're stainless steel, that's why they don't stain on the end. I forgot. The beauty of rib nuts. Well, we've got new side skirt things for the sills, but I'm sorry, but I still think the old ones with a bit of tyre shine would be 100% better. So I've decided not to put the new ones on. Far more authentic, I think, than keeping the original ones and these plastic. We have a pair of these if anybody wants them. Right, that's in there. That one's come out. Where's it? What's it?
It has not come out. What are you on about?
Oh, no, it isn't. No. Just got that bracket to put on up there. Yeah, I think I'll need to jack it down first.
Yeah.
I'll put it on.
Next, the headlights go on.
Some new ones, whichever way they go in. That screw there. Whoa. At least I'm marked passenger. They've all got riv nuts in now. Maybe a good idea to put the wires through. Should have bought new ones, I think. They are not in the best of conditions. The adjustment's got to be done. That is far too much out. Before then, when that post hit this side, They adjusted the headlights. Because of that, it meant the whole of this wing was a bit like that. Now it's gone like that. Anyhow, we'll sort it out later.
With the headlights installed, the indicators are screwed on. A little adjustment on the bonnet hinges before we go to the rear of the car.
Yep, new battery. The other one had given up the ghost, 5 years old. Wouldn't take a charge, so new one goes in. We shall put our trusting charger, put that on for a... My homemade affair.
With Dad's homemade boot liner back in place, we return to the front of the Mini.
At least I put it on without breaking it.
Look at that, folks. The Mini is looking very chic. The number plate is given a quick clean before screwing it on to the polished stainless steel holder. A very important item appeared in later Minis is the Distributor shield, a cheap and effective method to keep the water out of the electrical bits. Well, unless you dive off a pier.
Next job, give this a paint. New batteries now charged.
Dad cleaned the rover mud flaps and sprayed them with some rubber restorer before screwing it back onto their riv nuts.
We're doing that side.
Yeah.
I'm not sticking on too tight because
Then
it's harder to get off.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
Yeah.
right in an angle.
Okay. Right. These out. Oof.
Oh, this hinge bit here.
God, it's not moving, these hinges.
Yeah, no, is the paint, Josie.
Okay, this one's moved.
I need to pull these out. Yeah, I've got it.
I can't see. I need to go to the other side. Lower, lower. That's the top way. A bit to the...
The hinge one's moving. Oh, I managed it. Right,
Right, you got it in?
That was easier.
Yeah, well, because we rehearsed with the other one, didn't we?
Yeah, I suppose with the window and all the mechanism and everything out would be lighter, but the fiddle of trying to put all that in.
Okay. Well, I don't know how much you want.
Just tighten them up, Josie. Tighten one up at the bottom, one at the top, one at the bottom, tighten up.
Well, this car's not going for concourse.
Got the wing mirrors yet to put on as well.
That's the least of my worries. Oh, God. It's never ending. I can't help because the air intake of the fins.
Oh, is that in the way?
Yes.
Right, well, that's enough. That's enough, Josie. Right, let's have a... Now I want to get this catch in, Josie.
No? Well,
Yeah, but it just wouldn't, it was stuck. Oh, no, wrong way. Oh, you know what's stopping it? Is the paint. And that is not wanting. Do you know what it is? It's a bit bent.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, loosen it.
Loosen the bottom one. You see, I mean, that bottom one now is pretty well.
Yeah, but it's loose.
Right, if it's loose and it's moved.
Okay, now what do you want me to tighten the other one?
I'm going to go inside and push it again.
Nah, it's still pushing it in.
Go on, carry on.
Oh. Oh, no, that's...
I don't think that's
That's
bad,
pretty
do you?
good, yeah.
Oh, that slipped out. Right, okay.
Is it in?
Yes.
Now we move on to the bumpers.
I think the old ones, they weren't too bad, but new stainless steel ones to go on. This is the front bumper. That's where the doctor like that, and it pushed all that in. But now will be seen, hopefully. I want to take these nuts if I want nylon knots in, which are over on the on that table over there. There's some nylon nuts.
Yeah, it's in.
Yeah, mine isn't though. No, it's in. Oh, it's right underneath there.
And that is it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it truly helps with the growth of this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!